So here we're starting at our villa at Silver Sands. Just climbing up the altitude. Go high enough so that nobody on the ground can hear. You know, things can be them kind of posh place. Don't want nobody to complain. So yeah, that's the beach right there. Seagrass meadows going right back to the sperm grove you can see in the middle distance there. And today we're going to Flamingo Pond, 2.8 kilometers east of here. Across some nice dry limestone forest. So you can see a little track somewhere there. There's the last part of Silver Sands. Older building on the left there being restored. And straight ahead that is Flamingo Pond. What's all that written about Flamingo Pond? Is that track that runs near it? Okay, you can access it by 4x4. Not sure whether the land is public or private. But it is absolutely gorgeous. Right here we're at about 200 meters. So we're coming up to it right now. You can see the road right there. Yeah, look at the kind of thing you can get to with a 4x4. Yeah, it is right there. A little bit further on, you can see Braco. The Braco airstrip is near there. You have a nice white sand beach near there too. Let's hope some genius don't decide to go push down all this nice stuff. Go build something there and just despoil the whole place. That seems to be the norm here in Jamaica. So this is in April. Um, just getting over a long drought, so the vegetation is starting to come back in again. You know, nice rocky shore there. You know, seagrass meadows and some reef there offshore. And here we are. Good size body of shallow water. Surrounded by forest. Looks like the kind of place that would have flamingos at some point. Not this time of year though. Nice white sand beach right there. I'd love to check this place out on the ground one of these days. It's mud at the bottom. Very, very salty. You can see the different colors in it from the microbes growing in it. There it is. The water is actually fairly clear. That dirt road looks really well used too. So that looks like a villa to the side there. Yeah, it's a return leg now. Interesting to find out how to actually get there. Yeah, it's the first really long flight I've actually done this drone. After having been used to being limited to about 500 meters of the last one, good to have a chance to really stretch my legs with this one. Guess I don't take chances on my battery life. I might enjoy batteries just like how I manage scuba tanks. 1/3 out, 1/3 back, 1/3 in case of emergencies. Now about to try and look for my drone in these bushes. It's a pretty simple way of keeping your blood pressure down. I don't need them kind of stress there. Yeah, you're coming back up to Silver Sands there. The forest is absolutely beautiful. And coastal dry limestone forest. And we are right back at the edge of Silver Sands. And all villa straight ahead. Yeah, so have to get out there and enjoy these places while they're still around. is beauty about these places that no amount of concrete can match. Yeah, back again. Thank you for watching.